Okay, here's my CompuPro 816 S100 system, and my latest purchase is this dual 8-inch floppy drive enclosure with both drives are QumeTrak 842s, and I had to do a repair on the right hand drive. It needed a track 0 sensor, and I've gone through both drives and got them cleaned up and lubricated a little bit, and I'm going to put them to the test now. I formatted the drives are letters are I and J, and I formatted the floppy disk that's now in the right hand drive. I formatted it in the I drive to test the alignment between the two, because I'm now going to copy files across from I to J to see if the alignment is correct. And, I'm going to do it using pip with the switch to verify files as they're copied. That's what that V is for. So here we go. It moves a little slower because it takes time to read the file back after it's copied. And again, it's being copied to a disk that was formatted on the other drive. So if there's any discrepancies, it should show up this way. Let's see the progress. Now with the CompuPro, the stepper motor drive circuit is left activated all the time, so even sitting idle, it can run fairly warm. But that cooling fan in the back blows air through to the front, and when these doors are open, I can feel a breeze. It actually makes me chilly, so there's a lot of air moving through these drives to cool them off. You can hear more seeking going on now as it's getting further out the disk tracks as the drive is filling up. So far so good. These sound great. I got a pretty reasonable price on this. I was very grateful, and I had to make a couple trips to the hardware store because it was missing a lot of screws. But I've got everything screwed in. All the covers are screwed in. The pictures I see online show, well, here we are finished now. Looks like they all copied successfully, no errors. The pictures I see online show the CPU box on top of the floppy drive, and I could do that, except I don't have long enough cables for my hard drive, which is sitting up above here. But yeah, there's a lot of screws in this cover, which can now support a lot of weight. I got all new screws. So, and this thing is running very well.